So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
We are definitely back with another episode, and I know it's been a hell of a headache without us, and it has been a hell of a headache without you too. And we are definitely back with Beyond the Books podcast, and I'm not alone today in the house. I'm not alone. Yebo-ke, usangikhumbula kahle ngimi lesiphosisi wakathabethe, bringing you the freshest, the prettiest, a star. I don't know ukuthi why ngibese sengimglophisa kangaka bese sengimusho kangaka, but she's a star, beautiful in the making, beautiful outside and beautiful inside as well. So before I say who she is, I think she can just intro nyana.
Okay, hello Sanbonani. Thank you for the beautiful intro. Yes, I am the freshest and I am the current Miss Boleswa 2026. My name is Angel Zubugo. I am a first year student at UNESWA Waluseni.
First year. In Tanzania, let me say, yes, I am the freshest. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you gotta clap it, girl. Because lembo usho ukuthi i-confidence lonayo uyangibona nyalo nje kwanami unika i-posture
Ne?
because sisetimpheni so yeah, but then we are definitely here because we want to find out, me and the viewers at home, we want to find out ukuthi ngabe Angel Zubugo wendani outside of school, after school, beyond the books, beyond everything that has to do with academics. Who is Angel Zubugo? We see the titles, but we want to know more about the titles that you have right now.
Okay. First and foremost, Angel Zubugo is young girl. I won't mention my age, but I'm young.
Yeah.
Born and raised at Lutse, just around the corner.
Oh, just a local.
Yes, I am local. I come from a family of 6, so 4 girls. I'm the last born.
You've got a lot of cheerleaders already.
Yeah, I'm the last born, and I've always been like my dad used to call me Beyonce because of the things that I love doing.
Beyonce.
Like I've always been that girl, right? I've always known what I wanted. I'm a go-getter. It's natural. And outside the books, Angel is a jack of most trades.
Oh my goodness!
I think let me just summarize it to
jack
that.
of all trades.
No,
I think you got
most trades.
Oh, most.
Yeah, if you say all, you include all.
All is as a big one.
Yeah, no.
More.
All includes even the negatives.
The negatives.
Yeah, so most trades.
We're talking about the positives here.
Yeah. Yes. I should continue describing.
Yeah,
okay.
I would love to hear that, definitely.
There's a lot that I am. So I am an model, of course. I am an actress. I am a Christian, most important.
Whoa, I love me a Christian girl.
Yes, I am a Christian above everything, above all the talents. I am a Christian. And then God multiplies my talents. So my talents are ngabalanga because I believe that the more you multiply your talents is the more God gives more blessings.
Okay.
So ngeke ngithi my talents amagcina modeling, acting, singing, dancing.
Oh wait, you can also sing.
Yes.
Someone is gonna sing. Someone is
no.
Wait,
no.
Someone is gonna sing. Someone is gonna act. Someone is gonna parade. We're going to open a pageantry here.
No, I haven't nurtured my singing skills, my singing talent in a while. I sing at church now, but before I would go for competitions, for example, Njilo competitions. Yes, I took part in Njilo for so many years, and I would win. And I'm also a dancer, as I've mentioned, but I haven't nurtured that in a while. So give me anything.
There's a lot that you are that is beautiful. And that is so amazing.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So, okay, I want us to dive into more about your pageantry and everything because we have seen the headlines. We've seen people talking. We've seen a lot of rumors and everything. Miss Moleswa this, Miss Moleswa that. How beautiful. How has that journey been to you? Your pageantry changing?
I wouldn't say pageantry, nah. I would say modeling, because it's not only pageantry that I do.
Okay.
I do runway modeling, of course. So the reason why I started I've always loved modeling, but because I'm vertically challenged. For me, it was about proving a point when I started modeling, not just modeling now. I didn't start modeling now. I started modeling way back. I've always loved it, but it was about proving a point that modeling should not be limited to height.
Oh my goodness.
Because it's mostly about leadership and confidence, and I am that.
And you are that.
I am that.
Okay, I love your confidence. I love how you're very aware of who you are. And now maybe I'd love to know, and the viewer at home, or rather listener at home, would actually like to know, Bobiti, what pushes you to be all these things that you have counted or you have mentioned? What pushes you to be that? What makes you to have that eagerness? You know what? I'm getting that. When you're introducing yourself, and you're like, go gain that. What pushes you to
be a go-getter?
Yeah.
I think it's the family that I come from. I won't go into detail, but I come from a family where we are taught independence from a young age, where we were taught independence. In fact, it was forced into us. So my dad is a very straight dad, and he's a cop, by the way. So that he grew up in a family rich, not, or from a stable one. So for him, it was about independence. It was about achieving your own things. So Nancy, that thing was induced in us.
It was nurtured in
exactly. And for me, I think it just comes naturally. I would say independence this, independence that. So for me, loko ngiphusha ukuthi ngifune ngiyiphole imvule engiyifunayo is just ukuthi ngivele ngikhule kanjalo ukuthi if you want something, you better earn it. You're not going to get it from your parents. You're not going to get it from anyone. If you want something, get up and work.
Let's get up and go and get that money.
Exactly.
Get up and go and get the qualifications, the skills and everything, the talents and everything.
Exactly.
Well, that is a beautiful, beautiful something, tangible something that one maybe can look up to and try to do. Okay? Like, have you not somehow experienced a set of a burden, something like a burden? You're too focused on a lot of things and everything.
Well, I think I'm always going for hard things, because even at school, I've been doing sciences for some reason. For me, it's always about proving. It's proving a point to me before proving a point to someone else. Proving a point where I'm not limited to anything. I can do whatever that I put my mind into. Right? So, what was your question again? Sorry.
That's a mentality that I like. Okay, a question be again. I will see you need better and obviously like now you have to focus the scattered and so different.
Okay, I mean sometimes it can be a lot, especially here at university. Even in high school, it was a lot because mina ingqondo yami ifuna ngathi ingaba ithinta somewhere. For me to actually focus on my academics, I need to be doing something on the side. So for me, it can be a burden, but most of the time it's not, because veiling at the situation. For me to I'm going to focus on my academics, I'm cancelling out everything. That's when I'm going to not focus on my academics.
Okay, one last more question. Maybe it's not even a question for like party pageantry or rather modeling. Like for a person who's young and like they now notice you're Miss Moleswa. Firstly, you were Miss Precious, and then Watula. and then the standards, you see
Yeah.
the levels
Yes.
are cool.
Mhm.
So for someone who's like, you know what, I'm just gonna try that. Like I'm gonna try to be like her.
Mm-hmm.
What is it that you have for them? Ukuthi maybe le ndlela uyihambe kanjani wena? Do you attend lessons? Do you like what do you do exactly ukuthi ufike la khona ube nale posture lonayo, the confidence and everything? Sitshele sifuna kuba mamoto.
Sorry for that.
Sort of elegant.
It's the start of your question. Good thing. Ngathini move lo ufuna kufana nami.
Like someone who actually look up to you.
All right.
Like, let's say,
I would say look up to me, but don't be me because I am uniquely me.
Yes.
What you could learn is how to be yourself. If there's one thing that sets me apart from most people is that I know I am Angel Zubo. I am not specifically, I am not Mandisa. I get my motivation from Mandisa, but I am not going to be Mandisa. If Mandisa is a chef and she's good at and she's good at cooking, well, I will look up to her, but I will not try to perfect my skills like her. Right? I'm just going to use her confidence. I can be as confident modeling. Right? So for someone who looks up to me, but don't try to be me. Be yourself. Figure out who you are. Figure out what you love the most. That is important. Figure out what you love and then perfect it.
I guess that was clear to all the upcoming models and pageantry stars. It's so clear. Just be you and be yourself. You may have someone that you look up to and everything that maybe ufisanga zuthi ngaba confidence yakhe. But I missed that. I missed doing that. Google konke lokho, just never ever forget to be to remember ukuthi wena ungubani, ungakhohlwa lokho. It's very important. So maybe ukuthi siphume from the pageantry or modeling part, and then we try to dive into your other things that you do besides after school. Yes.
All right. I think
then that would do you groove, but in general to man as a some pain everything.
Yeah, I am a Christian, but I'm not perfect. Yes, I'll just put it like that. When it comes to my other talents, I think Lokamba Mbili is acting. I love acting. I think even in the school, I have a film that I shot with the fourth years. Yeah, it's called Ensimini. And then currently we are working on some project. So acting for me is it's at the top of the list. If in this country the acting industry basic too.
Are you into arts?
I'm into art. I am into
what
art.
Do you do? What's your program?
My program is not arts. My program is not even
This thing
close
is just
to
natural.
Yeah, I love arts, but I'm doing sciences. I'm doing Bachelor of Science.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
really.
Exactly. That's the thing about me. Yes, I will not stick to one thing because I'm a jack of most trades.
Oh, and I love the way you're so informed and you're just well aware of yourself.
Yes.
Jack of most.
Yes.
Like, not even all, but most traits.
You need to know. Oh, yes, that's something else. My mom also introduced the thing of Wuzi. You need to love yourself first before you expect love from other people. So for me, even the boys know labage bazama, the chances would see.
Lucky.
This girl,
I think you get that because even if you're trying some chances in Yana, the girl is focused.
Yeah, because you need to present to me what is it longing onige yona lotang niga yona lengite yona lenga connecting de la kona also.
Okay. Yeah. Standards.
Levels.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But anyways, you're touching on a little bit of Guti when you're also an actress, you have the heart with being an actor and everything. I think maybe certain abanje will be my listener or rather my viewer at home ukuthi wena wewangitshela about something no busy ngayo outside of school. Maybe you'd say, oh, okay, maybe in the premises of school, but like outside of your academics.
Yes.
I would love you to dive into that.
Dive into the eating part.
No,
something else.
You are preparing for a workshop. Is it a workshop?
Oh, yes. I am also a founder of a nonprofit organization called Youth Forever Charity Club, which is also what got me this crown because it's all about mental health, helping the youth prioritize their mental health. So for me, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi, I come from a very unique family. I mean, if I said my father is a cop, then you do know that it's a tough home. Yeah. So he's not just any cop also. So yeah, our mental health has been affected growing up, you know, and I've seen one thing about me, I'm observant of my surroundings. Observe ukuthi bamfu baphila kanjani. As an actress also, I think it's just something that comes as an actress because for me to portray a certain role, I need to know how people live, you know. So for me, I've observed for the past few years, I think the youth is suffering mentally, and most challenges that we face in this world, it's all because of poor mental health. So I decided, I want to have a nonprofit organization called Youth Forever Charity Club, where we prioritize mental health and also donate stationery to high school people, to high school students. The reason for my focus on high school going students is because at primary they have free primary education. So in this country, basically, let's say phones of area grade 7 and then high school. Uyaya noma
one case.
Exactly. So we are losing so many people who could be changing this country because they do not have the resources. Exam yaga form 3, exam yaga form 5. These people need calculators. They cannot afford Mali need calculator. These people are chased out of school because they cannot pay school fees. Well, minenye non-profit organization it's just me and friends labang sit down. But honestly, it's just me. I do not have any sponsors, but I'm seeing the vision. I'm growing the vision. Exactly. So my vision is to create an antidepressive environment for the youth where they thrive and be leaders of the country. And le platform lena ngipholelewe ukuthi not just for the looks of it, but to be a voice of the voiceless. Labangakhoni kukhuluma about their mental health. Yeah.
Now, this is really deep, and now I feel like, I'm somebody. You can see me. I'm just not myself at the moment because I'm taken into the emotion. The song Pagadi, yeah, man. It is a very beautiful move, of course. It's a lot. It is going on, and people are losing themselves, and each and every day.
Exactly.
So, for a young person who is into modeling, this is so huge. I can maybe proudly say you are the next big thing that I don't even know but you are. I think bangangivumela nebabukeli.
I think nesibongo sami siyakuchaza lo. So my surname is also a unique one because asingavami it's Zubuko.
Yeah.
And bamfula abaningi abasathi sinanyathelo sakhona. So sinanyathelo sakhona is Zubuko, Dumase, Ngaba, Ngaba Kadoni. So these two keywords, Dumase and Ngaba, Dumase means fame. So I would say where I'm going, I'm just simply following my place name because my second name is Tema Dumase.
Matumas. Okay, so girl, I'm gonna call you that.
So I mean, a lot of people don't understand what that name means, and it's called. I mean, it's Tema famous.
Tema famous.
Yeah,
and you are already there.
I'm going there. I'm not there, but it's not about the fame. For me, it's not about fame. It's about making positive impact,
and that is so.
And it's for the youth,
and that's so beautiful. Like in a sense, I'm sensing a lot of focus and consistency in a way. And like I'm being prompted ukuthi ngikubuke ukuthi along the journey, along the way, as you dive into this works, the beautiful works that you're doing, akwendeki nje uhane or maybe ube nemvo nje lebese seyakudistract and everything. Cause we get tired sometimes.
Currently, I am tired.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing that keeps me pushing is the fact that I chose this. Or rather, I would say God chose this for me. I think I've discovered my mission on this earth as being a voice of the voiceless for the youth, specifically the youth. Maningi ma-charity organizations lakhona in the country la focus on donating sanitary towels to girls, la focus on donating food to the elderly. But let's talk about something le shinja the country tomorrow. Education. Who's focusing on that? And we're always focusing on women this, women that. My first event last year was about men. It was called Men Unscripted, and it was in November, Men's Mental Health Month. And I'm sure Bamfu Abadu November is about men's mental health. Did you know that?
I didn't.
Exactly.
Yo.
And we are out here, the girl child. But what about the boy child? For me, it's about inclusivity, and it's just about equality and leaders and leadership for tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have touched on an aspect that is overlooked, and society has prescribed ukuthi umuntu lo ngathi vulnerable kakhulu ngomsikati, and that is not okay. And I feel like this is a very sensitive conversation right now. It's a very insightful conversation right now. We would see mental health issues especially with the youth. The youth is suffering. They are into drugs, but then yet you don't know the deeper cause of that.
Exactly.
So yeah. I'm
and it's always
I'm
about
perplexed.
it's always about Emma 2000 this, Emma 2000. But boban labakhulisa Emma 2000. Have you asked Emma 2000 ukuthi anatha kangaka why? Emma 2000 akeyosa kangaka why? Let's talk about where we come from. Which is why my next event, which is going to be on the 18th of April, is called From Roots to Realization.
From roots to realization.
We are looking back on our past and how it's affecting our present and how it's affecting our academics as university students and, of course, high school going students, and where it's taking us and how to heal from our past. Because Nami I'm not just talking about something I have things to heal from. And I'm sure each and everyone has things to heal from. You know. So meaning youth is always always youth vele ya namuhla. But have you asked Lumbana ukuthi ukwate kangaka ukwatiswe yini? Because it's growing up, I would say they never apologize for it.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I think Niyadivela Nani definitely a check of most trades, most of them. And they are so giving the youth a platform to talk about the things that they never get a chance to talk about is something that you will never overlook. And nale confidence na yekuthi you're into modeling and everything, actress and everything, like being confident or be confident kwekuthi, you know what, I'm just gonna do this and I'm just going to be able kwekuthi ngiphumelele. It's just an inspiration for us. This conversation was just not a conversation. It was just not an interview. It was just not a cozy moment, but it was a very insightful, inspirational one. And shout out to Angel Zuvugo and everyone Longabe OT and has meant something to me. Sister Valentina.
Okay. Bengingakusho nje amagama amagcina ukuthi please do come. Anyone is welcome, whether you are from UNESCO or anyway, if you recognize yourself as the youth. Noma ngabe una-30 but nje, if you feel like enhlitweni usase, and also if you feel like you need to heal from stuff, please do come. 18 April, Stadesi Science Lecture Theatre 2 here at
18
UNESCO
April.
Walusen.
Mhm.
Yes.
I hope you've marked the date, 18 April of the day. You're a young person, wherever you are, Angels Uyagumema, definitely do come. But before we do wrap up, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share, remember to post your comment, remember to tag us, remember to, do anything, but show us love because we love you, because we're cooking, bringing you the best, nothing but the most. Signing out.
So back to what I was saying.
Let us be.
Could be us.
Asan to na respond lang. Just mga karang kan sa kutse.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.